welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so very much for joining. Today we are going to be unboxing Glossybox. This is my first ever Glossybox and I'm so super excited over this and I cannot wait to show you guys what is inside. But before we get started, please go down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also if you would like that notification bell to be notified of my upcoming videos, and then we will get started. So this is my first Glossybox and I'm so super excited over this. I have been dying to get my hands on this box for quite some time. The company was so kind to send me this box as a PR box, but that does not sway my opinion whatsoever. Like I said, I've been dying to get my hands on this box. I've seen it everywhere, and every time I've seen it, they have amazing items inside. First things first, I'm looking like a hot mess today, but there's a reason for that. I have been out in the yard working all day long, but I absolutely had to show you guys this box and share this with you guys. So it is what it is. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box, and it's a very gorgeous box. As you can see, this is what it comes like. It's got the really pretty black, gold, and white on it, with the silver also. This is what it looks like when you open it up on the inside. It's got the little card here and it says explore your wild side. So that must be the theme for this month. And on the inside it gives a product detail list with prices and everything. And it also tells what's on the inside of the box. On the back of it, it says sneak peek for June World of Beauty. We're taking you on a virtual world tour next month. Glossies, experience beauty from all corners of the globe and learn the secrets of international style with brands from the USA, Asia, Europe, and beyond. Stay tuned for a June box that's well-traveled. Coming soon, Summer Essentials Limited Edition Bag. Okay, maybe your summer vacation plans have taken a detour, but that doesn't mean your beauty routine needs to. Brighter days and balmy evenings are on the horizon, and we have curated a new and exciting limited edition to help you make the most of the season. Watch your inbox for updates soon. The Glossy Report, mental health. Remember that your mind needs the same care and attention your body receives. This month we're talking about mental health and the topics that weigh the most on women's minds. So it gives all the upcoming details about next month and also some other details about other things on the back. This is a very nice card. I wish all boxes did this because this is super nice. It's not cheap. It gives photos, it gives everything. It gives so much detail, and I love that. This is way better than Boxy, seriously. The first item that I'm going to pull out in the box is this Eyeshadow London I Do Liquid Eyeliner in black. That looks super nice. This retails for $22. I want to mention, not only is this box way better than Boxy, in my opinion, at least the base box, it's also cheaper. This one's only $21 a month. So I already got my money back if I had paid for this box and just this one product so far at $22. The next product that I have is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Rose Petal. And we will pull this out and swatch it. This one retails for $20. That is just gorgeous. Look how stunning that shade is. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I really love this shade. That is so gorgeous. There's the shade swatched and what that looks like. How pretty is that? It's like a deep, deep mauve. So pretty. That is so pretty. I love that. And it's very nice and smooth too, and it's drying down. We'll see what it looks like when it dries down too, but it's really nice, smooth, and pretty. The next thing that I have that I'm going to pull out is this Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Love, love, love Elemis. They are an amazing skincare brand. This retails for, this is a travel size, but that is a very good travel size. This retails for $14. Which surprises me because Elemis is usually pretty expensive. But this is their cleansing balm. It's very nice and soft. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, but not too, it's not nothing bad or strong. Super cleansing treatment balm. It just says deep cleansing balm. It don't give a lot of details about it. Wait, here we go. It says, this powerful deep cleansing balm dissolves makeup, daily grime, and pollutants. Luxurious rose and mimosa waxes are infused with nourishing elderberry, starflower, and optomega oils. It says, tip, for a deep cleansing session, apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 minutes like a mask. So nice. I love that. The next thing that I have is a CBD charcoal face mask, purifying and brightening. It's got active botanicals, broad spectrum hemp formula, 50 milligram hemp-based cannabinoids. And this retails for $6.99. It says this line of reformulated 50 milligram CBD face masks are made with a topical boost of organically grown hemp CBD combined with traditional skincare ingredients like charcoal, aloe vera, rose extract, and hyaluronic acid. Designed to soothe, hydrate, and clarify your skin during the beginning of summer. So perfect. Perfect for summer. Don't forget to squeeze out all the serum from the packet and massage into your skin after removing your mask. So very nice. I can't wait to use this. Wow. I love CBD skincare. So that is amazing. Last but not least, I got a Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $38, you guys. It says the possibilities are endless with this eyeshadow palette. With metallics and dark colors, you can rock your bold or smoky look as much as you like. And then it has a tip. It says, remember to always have a primer on hand for bold, even application. And we're going to open this up and we're going to do a couple swatches. Also, notice that the palette matches the Glossybox. How nice is that? So nice. So this must be made specifically for the Glossybox. So pretty. Very nice, natural, neutral, smoky eyes. Gosh, they're gorgeous. Let's swatch just a couple. And there is some swatches of that. I didn't swatch it really hard. I just kind of barely swatched it. But that is really nice. They are really nice and soft. So I can't wait to use that. This is amazing. I love this box. You guys, it retails for $21. It's even cheaper if you subscribe for a 6-month subscription. So that's nice. So you save a little bit of money that way. One thing I did want to pull out was the eyeliner because I did want to take a look at that. I'm not sure about the total retail on this, but it way surpasses $21. So I'm very happy with this box. Look how nice that is. That's so nice. And that's what the tip of the eyeliner looks like. Wow, super nice. Okay, you guys, that is it for the Glossybox. Super amazing. I definitely recommend. Everything is high quality makeup that you really don't get in any other boxes. This box is completely different than Ipsy and Boxy both. It is a makeup beauty box like Ipsy and Boxy, but it's totally different. It's super adorable. They have amazing things. You guys need to go check them out. I will link them below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please leave me a comment down below what you liked best about this box. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, what were your thoughts about this box? I really like it. In my opinion, it's super nice. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time.
I know that I'm running out of time. I want it all.